She literally sat all the way down there being dramatic. Not the sniffles. I told you could sit right here. Like, I could easily move that. You could sit. But no, a true Capricorn. We are currently waiting for the fireworks to start. We're not outside because it's really hot and there's a lot of people out there. I'll show you guys my stickers. The first one I got, it's this cute little vinyl. It has like fishes in it and stuff. Then this plant one, it's this little mushroom with the little booty out. And then I got this cute little boba bug. Good morning, guys. It is currently 7:10 in the morning and I have just woken up and I am watching the sunrise before I have to get up and get ready to go to the farmer's market. We're gonna be going to the farmer's market today and getting a couple of little things like plants. I want to get a new bouquet of flowers because I want like my apartment to be full of plants. Forest fairy vibes. I got this gigantic cactus last week and it was only, I think, like not 30, I think it was like $10. I'll have to put a picture of it, but it's so cute. I named it Charles because it just looks like a Charles. Hey, one thing about me is I'm gonna name a plant, it's just gonna make sense. I don't know what to tell you. If you haven't seen it already, by the time this video comes out, I just uploaded my Portals recap tour. Essentially just a little vlog and a concert review of the Portal tour. Go give it a view. Sophia is finally awake for the day. And we are going to the farmer's market. Which is why I'm dressed like your grandma. We're gonna be heading out shortly. I get nervous recording in public. But I'm giving very bougie on. Check back in later. Steam buns.
No
My
bounds.
brain was blanking. We have steam buns. What'd you get?
I got a pork basil and a custard.
I got a barbecued pork steam bun and a custard. You already had the custard one. So your reaction to the one you got?
Ooh, they're hot. Bang it.
This is my barbecue.
Does it taste American? Call me Mickey Mouse, y'all.
So we finished the farmer's market. It was fun little time, cute little time. We loved our steam buns. I got a cute bouquet of flowers, which I'm sure y'all saw. And say they're in the back seat though right now, so yeah. Now we are headed to Casetas. Okay guys, we're gonna see how Sophie makes her lasagna. It's all about the noodle selection.
Okay, I think I might run to like Target.
Yeah. I mean, I'm always down for a Target trip. Ooh.
I'll get there.
11 o'clock though. Probably gonna head home, pick up Sterling soon. Just like that.
To all the she's, A's, and gays, thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.